I am happy to meet you in this lecture, which is very important for us, lover of science, culture, knowledge, and economic. I am pleased to meet you in this educational and informative lecture about the relationship and interaction between economics and mathematics. Mathematics is an important science that contributes to the shepherd of various technical, social, and human sciences. And one of the most important sciences related to and independent on mathematics is economics. What is the relationship between mathematics and economics? Mathematics considered the most, economics is considered the most mathematical based science, especially statistics, where we find econometrics that combines economics, mathematics, and statistics. Operations research, also called enterprise mathematics, we can call this science operation research or operations research, and also we call them enterprise mathematics, but in fact, enterprise mathematics is a part of operations research. Also, we have financial mathematics, the interaction between finance and mathematics. And we have also economic mathematics that are widely used in macroeconomic and macroeconomic studies. We must distinguish between economic mathematics and also econometrics. Econometrics, or we use economics, mathematics, and mainly statistics, the model of statistics. Or we have mini models of statistics, and we can use the pertinent model for this study. But in mathematical or in mathematical economics, or this difference in economic mathematics, this difference between, because here we use mathematics. We use mathematics, the pure mathematics, in microeconomics and macroeconomics studies. The marginal school, you have the marginal school in economics, is a school, economic school. Marginal school strongly introduced mathematics in the field of economics and used mathematical models to explain economic phenomena and the behavior of economic agents. Okay, they use mathematics in explain economic phenomenon and also in explain and analyze the behavior of economic agents. Especially, we have Swiss school with the leadership of this Swiss school is we have Leon Vallas use mathematics, and Vilbredo de Pareto. In English school, we have William Stanley Jevons also use mathematics, and a lesser extent in the Australian school from Australia is a neighbor of Germany as a country. Australian school, we have Carl Minger use also mathematics in the marginal analysis of economic theories. Many mathematicians received the Nobel Prize in economics. Now that we have Nobel Prize in economics, as economics is an important science for our life, we have Nobel Prize in economics. Is many mathematicians received the Nobel Prize in economics as compensation for the absence of a Nobel Prize in mathematics. We haven't Nobel Prize in mathematics, and to compensate this lack, the mathematicians received the Nobel Prize in economics. And the most famous of them is John Nash in 1994, who is mathematician and not economist, but he received the Nobel Prize in economics because they use the game theory of Nash in solving the problems of economics or economic problem. This is the interaction between mathematics and economics. Now, mathematics, what is mathematics? Mathematics is a great science, an old science, is the father of science. We have the mother of science is philosophy, and the father is mathematics. And we can divide mathematics in 5 main branches, which are, the first is algebra. The word is like Arabic word, algebra en français, algebra in English. extract from the Arabic word algebra of fractions, Jabr al-Qusur, algebra of fractions. The Arabs excelled in it in the Middle Age, and they developed the science of algebra, and they are among the foundations, made the foundations of modern algebra, which is main branch of mathematics. We have also geometry or geometrics or geometry. We have the Greeks. Greeks excelled in it, and they contributed to the development of geometrics, the modern geometrics, just as Euclid and Pythagoras, also Pythagoras, and others, Greek and Arabic, especially Greeks, they participated and they have contributions in the development of the modern geometry. Analysis. Here I speak about mathematical analysis. Analysis is considered an independent branch of algebra and geometry, is independent from algebra and geometry. We have analysis, and is concerned with the analysis of mathematical functions. We have mathematical functions. Students in economics, in sciences, in experimental sciences, in mathematics, in engineering, and also in literature, they all know what means functions, mathematical functions. We have, for example, algorithmic functions, exponential functions, and we have quadratic functions and other functions also. They are all mathematical functions, and to analyze these mathematical functions, we use the mathematical analysis, which is a main branch of mathematics. We have also statistics. Statistics is used in economics, but it is modern. Statistics is a modern mathematical branch whose name is derived from state science, from English, state science. Due to its use, we use statistics in census of populations, births, deaths, crops, productions, gross domestic product, inflation, etc. We have indicators. For this, we call them state science, and with time, they developed the name of this branch of mathematics to statistics. And it is the most widely used branch in economics. In the most branch used in mathematical branch used in economics is statistics. We have probability and stochastics, and also they are all part of statistics. Descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, applied statistics, probability, and etc. We have also the fifth branch is arithmetic, which is considered the easiest branch of mathematics, and the oldest branch of mathematics is to calculate, is to this is the base of arithmetics, to calculate, from which accounting, you know it means accounting in the field of economics or field of management, accounting was derived from arithmetics. And also we have computer science, computer sciences derived, and algorithmics derived from arithmetics, which is the fifth branch of mathematics. These are the branches of mathematics. We have 5 main branches: algebra, geometry, analysis, mathematical analysis, statistics, and arithmetics. And accounting is from arithmetics, is derived from arithmetics, and also computer science is derived from arithmetic. And mathematical and economics are great science, are an important sciences which are interactive between them, because in economics we use mathematics and we use also statistics. Statistics is a part of mathematics. Then mathematics is important for students in economic and in management and in marketing, in accounting. The mathematics is the base and the pillar of this field of economics. Thank you for listening and following up this lecture. And I am happy to meet you again. We will meet in other lectures. Best wishes, best regards. Take care yourself. I am your lovely lecturer, Arkob Wali, Mr. Arkob Wali, professor at University of Bomardas. Thanks, and see you in the next science, inshallah.